Good day, Soror. This is a quick tutorial on how to create a Google Calendar using your Google Chrome account. First thing you want to do is open up your Google, then look for the array next to your picture or your initial. And in this array has all the apps that Google has. Look for Calendar, click on Calendar. And then as you can see, I have a bunch of calendars down at the bottom. So all my calendars. I want to create a new calendar. So click on the plus sign here. Then you get some options. Click on create a new calendar. Give your calendar a name. You don't have to do a description if you don't want to. And then make sure you have your time zone and then create the calendar. Okay, so now the calendar is created. You get the option to configure. You can configure if you want to, but this is going to allow us to find the link. So I clicked on configure. Let's go all the way down. And down here you have some options where you can integrate the calendar. You have the public URL to this calendar and the embedding code. These are the selections you have on how you want to share with others. The one I like to typically use is this one. This is the public URL. This is the one that you want to copy and then share with others. So let me show you what that looks like. So if I open up another tab, the calendar I just created, this is what other people will see. So if there was something on this calendar, this is what people can see. You can see it gives them the option where they can print out the calendar, go look at previous things that were on the calendar or future things that are on the calendar. So this is the link that you want to share with other people. So let's say that you didn't hit configure. Let me show you where to find this. So let's say I go back and I'm in my calendar. To find that calendar, I'll come back down and look for the one that I created. And you can see that it's here. So I'm going to click on that one and make sure that I go to these little ellipses that gives me options. And then here's the option setting and sharing. And that's how you get back to this screen that we were at before where it asks us if we want to configure. You can come back to this at any time. If you forget the link, this is where you find it. So you come all the way down here to find the public URL that you want to share to this calendar. And I want you to notice up at the top that you want to make sure that this option is not checked because it has where you can make available to public. Um, you don't have to do this part. That's an option if you want to select it. It says that you're making your calendar public and all events are visible to everyone in the world via a Google search. So that's not an option that I normally select. So I wouldn't do that one. Okay, I hope this was helpful.